All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go for our test drive in our 2013 BMW 535i GT. Now, this is just a very nice luxury vehicle. Got a nice little dark brown exterior with a matching brown interior. We got our basic modern gauges here, radio controls so you can connect your phone to the Bluetooth. Excellent sunroof, as you can see up here. I mean, literally, this is a very beautiful car. Let's give you a little brake test right here. Nice blowing cold AC for all you Florida people out here. Controls down here. Take her up the street here a little bit. So you can see we're getting a pretty good reaction out of it. Not pulling in any direction. Definitely nice for a BMW. And I'm not a BMW person, but anyway, we're gonna get this car turned around. We're gonna let you take a good look at the underneath, and we'll see you there.